safe to say that a country's housing market is doing really well when mega developers continue to unveil their plans to launch projects in the key markets of the country. This is especially true when the launches and the sales usually taper off due to the monsoon effect. Hi, I'm Nikita, your host for this month's Realty Roundup, where we cover big news impacting the country's housing market. Planning to cash in on the upcoming festive season, during which sales usually peak every year, mega developers have decided to schedule their new launches in the key residential markets of the country in the month of September. Major cities where the key launches for the month of September are planned include Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Kolkata, and Gurgaon. Some of the major builders that unveiled plans to launch their new projects in the month of September include Godrej, Lodha, Tata, Mahindra, Brigade, Kolte Patil, and Signature Global. In addition to this, real estate major Mahindra is planning to launch a plot-based development in the city of Jaipur, aiming to tap the demand of the high-end independent property in this Tier 2 market. In first half of 2024, institutional investors put $4.8 billion in India's real estate. 33% of this money was in the residential segment, second highest after warehousing. This is indicative of the unwavering investor confidence in residential space. पिछले कुछ सालों में स्पेशियस घरों की डिमांड काफी ज्यादा बढ़ गई है, स्पेशली वैसे प्रोजेक्ट्स जो कि हाई एंड अमेनिटीज ऑफर करते हैं। शायद इसी वजह से सितंबर के महीने में लॉन्च होने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स मोस्टली 3 या 4 BHK कैटेगरी में हैं। जाहिर सी बात है, इन प्रोजेक्ट्स में एक एक घर की कीमत 1.5 से 3.5 करोड़ के बीच में होगी। Meanwhile, Housing.com's IRIS Index for the month of August shows that top 8 Tier 1 cities dominate search trends. Interestingly, IRIS Index का डेटा ये भी शो करता है that 2 BHKs are the most searched configuration. Even though larger homes are clearly the home buyer's preference, however, concerns of pricing might be prompting many to make these slight adjustments in sizes to improve their affordability. Coming back to supply, major micro markets where these launches are planned are Hennur and JP Nagar in Bengaluru, Versova and Bhandup in Mumbai, New Gurgaon in NCR, Kokapet and Kukatpalli in Hyderabad, Gift City and Jagatpur in Ahmedabad, and Hinjewadi and Wagholi in Pune. In a move that would further boost the housing demand in India's Silicon Valley, Bangalore Metro has recently received approval for 2 new corridors. The first corridor will be connecting JP Nagar to Kempapura, and the second will link Hoshahalli to Kabadagire. These new corridors are expected to significantly enhance the connectivity, especially for the western parts of the city, linking them to the outer ring road and other key markets. Property rates में sharp rise के बावजूद मिलेनियम सिटी कहे जाने वाले गुरुग्राम शहर के हाई एंड प्रॉपर्टीज की डिमांड में काफी तेजी आई है। ऐसे में न्यू गुड़गांव में भी काफी इन्वेस्टर इंटरेस्ट देखा जा रहा है। ये एक ऐसा सब मार्केट है जिसके ग्रोथ प्रोस्पेक्ट्स काफी ब्राइट है, क्योंकि ये दिल्ली मुंबई इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर और द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे दोनों से ही जुड़ा हुआ है। यही वजह है कि ये एरिया कनेक्टिविटी और कॉमर्स दोनों ही मामलों में बेटर स्कोर करता है। According to a Reuters poll conducted in May, average prices of home in India are expected to rise steadily in the coming few years. This is due to countries rich driving the demand for luxury housing. While average home prices are predicted to rise by 6% in 2024 and 2025, the actual increase in specific markets could be a lot higher. One factor that is also influencing the undiminished interest in home buying is the rising rents in mega cities. For example, Mercer data के हिसाब से दिल्ली में 2024 में एवरेज मंथली रेंट 15% बढ़ा है, जबकि मुंबई में 8% सालाना ग्रोथ देखी गई है। वहीं बेंगलोर, हैदराबाद, पुणे और चेन्नई में 2 से लेकर 6% के बीच में सालाना रेंट्स बढ़े हैं। This is all from REA India's research team for this month. Stay tuned for more updates on key housing markets. Thank you for watching.